Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on DrawEntitiesDebugApp, and it's right here in your Assignment 8 package. If I run this as a Java application, it's going to bring up rendering of at first it shows a zombie at this location, and my default radius is a little small, so I can continue through these, right? And it's kind of a little tough to see. I can exit out of that, and if I want to, just temporarily, I've made these constants up here for the colors of these guys. I could say, for example, make the default entity radius 10 times big as I normally have it. And now when I run it, they'll be huge. That'll help me sort of see that, all right, so the radius that I have of this guy, they're drawing correctly. And I'm happy, and I'll set that back when I'm done, sort of just confirming that the drawing is working. So this looks good. Everybody looks good. And I get through, and so I'm done drawing in the entity portion. And now it's like, would you like to try drawing these same test cases, but with the zombie simulators version of Draw? I haven't built that in this version of the code, so this is going to crash. So when I say continue here, it's going to throw this exception. It's like not yet implemented. If I click on Zombie Simulator, the top of this stack trace right here, it's going to take me to right where I haven't actually built any of this. So when I try to create one and read in entities and then call draw on them, it fails. And so, as is usually the case, I have built this and I've scrolled it away. I can replace my changes, which I've broken here. Let me close this up because I don't want to rob anybody with the joy of building Zombie Simulator. So let me replace with the working version of that. And so now when I run the DrawEntitiesDebugApp, you'll see that I'm going to go through this entity draw thing at the beginning, which is the part that I've built. And now when it asks to go through the zombie simulator, because I now have a working version, you can see that that's also drawing the exact same cases, but via zombie simulator. So it's also working. So that's what you can expect there. When you're all done with that, you'll probably want to set the radius back to what you want for the normal zombie simulation. So when I run this draw debug app, it might look a little tiny. It might be tough to see exactly what's going on. Sort of it's back to where you want it to be for the zombie simulator. And just to be very clear, you're, sort of using the different colors and circles as sort of the minimum required for this assignment. If you would like to get a little more creative about how you'd like to draw your zombies and non-zombies, that is encouraged and welcome, and hopefully you'll have fun with this assignment.